previous homework objective. So that is individual homework. So I am not going to explain about that homework. So individual answers will be there. Now today we are going to start our second chapter. Today we are going to start second chapter. What is that? Counting in groups. What is second chapter? Counting in groups. So before going that, who is rule number 1? 1st standard rule number 1. Okay, 1. Yours rule number is 1. Okay. Standard whose rule number falls after 2 numbers. Whose rule number falls after 2 numbers? So whose rule number? Yours is next. So whose rule number falls after 2? So that is nothing but 3. After the first rule number, 3rd. Next, again, whose rule number falls after 2 numbers? It is 5. Next, 7. Next, 9. After that, 11. After that, 13. That means here we are leaving one member. See here, after 1 I wrote 3. After that, 5. After that, 7, 9, 11, 13, like that. That means actually rule numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So first rule number, here I was started. And whose rule number falls after 2? Whose rule numbers falls after 2 numbers? So this one, 3. Again after 2 numbers is 5. Again after 2 numbers is 7. Again after 2 numbers is 9. That means I am skipping one number. I am skipping one number. Understood? So I am not taking the first, the second number. So I am skipping this one. So it is nothing but skip counting. It is nothing but skip counting. Okay children, this is nothing but a skip counting because here I am skipping one number. Actually 1 after 2, but I am not taking 2. So 1 after 3, skipped 2, reach it to 3. Again 3 after, skipped 4, so reached to 5. So again skipped 1. That means we are taking only one digit. After we are leaving one number. We are leaving one number. That means we are adding 2. So this is 1 enough. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Again 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. That means adding 2 numbers. Adding 2. So this is also called the skip counting. Once see here, counting in twos means skipping one number while counting. Here all these are numbers now. So I am skipping one. So it is nothing but skip counting. Understood? Counting in twos means skipping one number while counting. While counting the numbers I am skipping one number. 1. After that 2. Skipped that number. So I took 3. So next 3 after 4. Skipped that number. 5. number. That means this is a number now. So if you add 2, again you will get 3 now. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So to get the next number, we have to add 2 and 13. So 13 plus 2 is how much? 15. So what is the next number in this skip counting? 15. Understood? Similarly, can you say what are the numbers in counting in twos? 0, 2, 4. After that, so skip 1, 1. Counting in twos now. Counting in twos. So we have to skip one number. 4 after. Actually 5, but we have to skip. So what is the next number? 6. 6 after 8. After 8 is 10. After 10 is 12 and so on. And so on. Similarly, in your textbook, in practice zone 1, by doing the addition also we can get. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Counting in twos is nothing but skipping one number or adding 2. Adding 2 to its previous number. So I want to get the number. I want to get the number here. So what is the previous before number of this? 12. If you add 2, will you get this number or not? Yes. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So what is the next number? 14. So 12 after we skip the 13 and 14. Is it right? Yes. This is nothing but counting in twos. Now open your textbooks. Page number 23. Practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. Page number 23. Page number 23. So this is counting in twos. Fill in the missing numbers by counting in twos. See here, first one is 9, 11. After that, skip the 2 numbers. 17, 19. Can you fill this? So 9 after, skip the 10. 9 after, 10, 11. Next, 12. What will come here? 13. Next, skip counting. 13 after, leave 14 and 15. Leave 16, 17. So we have to skip 18 and 19. Similarly, say the answers of these: 35, 37, 39, 47. So 35 after, 36, 37, 38, 30. Next, very good. It is 41. 41 after, 42, 43. Again leave 44 and 45. Next one, 84, 88, 94, 96. Here 84 after 84 in counting in twos. Next number is actually 85, but in counting in twos we should not take 85. No, we should not take next number. In counting in twos we have to skip one number. So what will come here? Yes, it is nothing but 86. 88. After that, 90. Next, very good, 92. So copy these answers. First, after that, open your workbook. 17. Fill in the missing numbers by counting in twos. So try these answers. I will give 2 minutes time. In that time I will copy the questions. Okay children? 12, 14, 16. This is also counting in twos. Next one, 40, 42, 48, 46, 52, 56. Next, 88, 92, 96, 87, 93, and what are the next two numbers? So are you finished this one? Are you finished that one? So say 12, 14, 16. After that, yes, it is nothing but 18. Next, very good, it is 20. And next one, 40, 42, 40, 42. After that, 43, 44. Next, skip 45 and what will come? 46. 46. After that, 48. 48. After 48 is 49. No. After 48 is 49. No. Why am I saying 50? Because we have to skip one number. So 48 after 50. By adding 2 also we will get the numbers now. We will get the counting in twos now. We will get the numbers in counting in twos now. So now we will try in that method. 46. So add 2. 46 after 47, 48. Again add 2. After 48 is 49, 50. After 50 is, now we are going to check the answer. Is it right? So 50. After 50 is 51, 52. Is it right or wrong? Yes, right. 52. Again 53, 54. Next one is 54. And the last number is given. Next, 88. Open 2 fingers. 88 no. 88 after 89, 90. 90. Next here 92 is given. So 92 after 93, 94. 96 is given. 96 after, again open 2 fingers. 96 after 97. Yes. Next 87. Open 2 fingers. 87. After that 88, 89. So what will come here? 89. Next 89. After 89 is 90, 91. 91. This is 93. After 93 is 94, 95. This is 95 now. This is 95 now. After 95 is 96, 97. So it is 97. Okay children. So once check the answers. And second bit also write the next 4 numbers by counting in twos. Write the next 4 numbers by counting in twos. So try the second bit also. Try second bit also. Write the next 4 numbers. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 11, in counting in twos, after 2 is 3, 4. Next, 4 after 5, 6. After 6, 7, 8. Next, 10. Very good. Next, 11 it is. This is 11. After 11 is, open 2 fingers. 11 after 12, 13. So what will come here? 13. Next, 13 after, again open 2 fingers. 13 after 14, 15. 14, 15. Again 15 after 17. 17. Next 17 after 18, 19. Are you finished with remaining sums also? Okay, good. Check these answers. 23 now it is. 23 after 24, 25. After 25 is 26, 27. After 27 is 28, 29. So 29. After that 31. Next 44. 44. Next one is 44. So after 44 is 45, 46. Next 47, 48. 48. After that 49, 50. Next 51, 52. Okay. Next last one 72. After 72 is 73. Is it right answer? After 72 in skip counting in twos. Counting in twos. 72 no. 72 after 73, 74. Next 74. After that 75, 76. Again 77, 78. Next 79, 80. So once check these answers, Nana. So this is counting in twos. So counting in twos means skipping one number while counting. Understood? While numbers we have to skip one number. It is nothing but a counting in twos or skip counting of twos. Next counting in twos means while counting the numbers we have to skip one number. And another way, by adding 2 to its previous number. To get the number we have to add 2 to its previous number. If you add 2, then you will get the next number in counting in twos. Understood? So similarly, your homework is open your worksheet, page number 22. In page number 22, one table is given. So what is that table? The rabbit needs to get back its burrow. Where is the burrow? Here it is. This is burrow. So rabbit lives in this burrow. So the rabbit needs to get back to its burrow. Draw the path for it. Throw the number maze starting at 2 by counting in twos up to 50. See, so we have to draw the path. Draw the path for it. nothing but way. Dari. So you have to show the way. So 2. After 2, you have to join the next number in counting in twos. So what is the next number in counting in twos? In counting in twos, what is the next number? 4. So 4. After that, after 4 is 6. After 6 is 8. Like that, you have to draw the path from 2 to 50. You have to draw the path. You have to show the way for rabbit. Understood? So here number maze is given, number table is given. So on this number table you have to draw the path to show the burrow to rabbit. Okay, to show the burrow. So your homework is page number 22. Page number 22, ninth bit in worksheet. Ninth bit in worksheet. So this is your homework. And listen, what is counting in twos? Counting in twos means while counting the numbers we have to skip one number. It is nothing but counting in twos. Or if you add 2 to its previous number, then you will get the next number. Understood? So can I give some questions? Will you solve? This is your homework. Note down your homework. Now, what is of counting in twos? 5, 7, 9. After that, what are the next 3 numbers? What are the next 3 numbers in counting in twos? 5, 7, 9. You have to answer. What is the next number? Is 11. After that, 13. After that, 15. Now, can you say the next 3 numbers? Next 4 numbers? After 17 is in counting in twos. In counting in twos. Yes, 19. After that, 21. After that, 23. After that, 25. Okay. Next in counting in twos, 42. What are the next 4 numbers in counting in twos? 42. After 42 is 44. After 44 is, yes, very good, 46. After 46 is 48. After 48 is 50. Good. Now, counting in twos is nothing but while counting the numbers we have to skip one number. It is nothing but counting in twos. Can you say what is counting in threes? Counting in threes. So based on this only, so counting in threes is nothing but twos means we are skipping one number. Counting in threes means we have to skip 2 numbers. While counting the numbers we have to skip 3 numbers. So in next class we are going to learn counting in threes. Okay children? And today's homework is in page number 22, 9th bit in worksheet. You have to draw the path like this. So 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8 like this is there now. So you have to draw the path. That is your homework. You have to draw up to 50. Okay children? So this is your homework. In next class we are going to learn counting in threes. Okay children?